Hey everyone, Brandon Nelson, and in 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to get faster frijoles when it's Taco Tuesday. Now, Taco Tuesday is supposed to be the fastest, easiest meal of the week. You've got all your fixings and taco shells laid out. All you've got to do is get the frijoles out of the can. So obviously you start with opening the can, and then usually you start the long, slow scrape with a spoon, digging the beans out. It takes forever, and everyone's starving while they're waiting for you. But there's a better way. Let me show you. All you gotta do is take a knife, flip the beans over in the pan, give it a pop. Bam! There's your frijoles ready to heat up. This has been Brandon Nelson for 1 minute. I'll see you next time.